Hi guys, how's it going? If you worked with Java, you probably noticed how tedious it can be to create classes just to store data. You have to declare variables, generate the string, equals, hash code, and if you need to copy an object, you have to write extra code. It's just too much. But this is where Kotlin provides an amazing solution: data classes. With a single line of code, you get all the functionality that would take many lines in Java. In this video, we'll explore what data classes are, how they help us write cleaner code, and some real-world use cases where they truly shine. Let's get started. To understand the problem, let's say we have a user class in Java that just stores a name and an age. Look at all the code we need to write. Just to represent a user with a name and age, we've written over 50 lines of code, and if we want to add more attributes, it becomes even worse. Now let's see how we do this in Kotlin with data classes. That's it. With just this one line, Kotlin automatically generates the string, equals, hash code, and even a copy method. This saves us a ton of time and unnecessary code. Let's see it in action. We create a user instance and print it. If we print the object, we get a clean and readable output automatically, thanks to the toString method Kotlin generates for us. What if we want to modify just one attribute without changing the original object? In Kotlin, we can use the copy method. Without modifying the original object, we created a new instance with the updated age. In Java, this would require an extra constructor or a separate method. Data classes work perfectly with lists and higher order functions. Here, we use filter to retrieve only users older than 25. Much cleaner and easier compared to Java. Another common use case is working with JSON. With Kotlin's serialization, we can easily convert our data classes to JSON. Just by adding serializable, our data class can now be easily converted to JSON without needing complex external libraries. Data classes are one of the reasons why Kotlin is so powerful. With less code, we achieve the same results as Java, but with more clarity and efficiency. Less boilerplate code, automatically generate methods, seamless integration with list and JSON serialization. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more Kotlin content. See you next time.